Hi, today I'm going to make this beautiful plant called spider plant. Very easy to make and really pretty. Materials required are crepe paper in green, a thin wire slightly long in size, a small thick wire, green floral tape, and this is a fabric whitener or bleach which is easily available. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the small leaf. This is 6 centimeters by 1 centimeter, and the bigger leaf is 25 by 2 centimeters. Of course, you can make the leaves longer or shorter as you please. Now I've taken some bleach in the bowl. Take a brush. Take off the extra bleach and just run the brush at the edge of the leaf. Since we don't want a very wide white strip, so that's why I'm applying a very little bleach. As you can see, the effects of the bleach are showing and it will steadily turn entirely white. So just turn the leaf over now, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. As you can see, it's turning white. I'll just leave this to dry, and similarly on these small leaves also I'll do the same thing. And leave this to dry also. Take a piece of thin wire. Now this should be longer than the leaves length, so more than 25 centimeters. So cut a little piece of the green floral tape and wind it on one end of the wire. Like this. Now take the leaves, and I have made slightly smaller leaves than 6 centimeters length. So I'll start with the smallest one and just apply glue on the base and stick it on the wire. Take the next one. Stick it next to it. Try to go around the wire, forming a kind of a rosette. like this. So I'll stick all the leaves like so. So after attaching all the leaves, now take a long piece of the green floral tape, stretch it, and then just wind it from the base of the leaves till the end of the wire. Like this. Now just gently curve all the leaves. Like so, and then just bend the base. So this is how the little leaves would look. Now to assemble the whole plant, so in the same way as I did for the smaller leaves, so first just take a little bit of the tape and take a small piece of the thick wire . So on the same way, just apply glue and stick it. Going around the wire. Like so. So I'll continue doing this. So after attaching about 7-8 of these the leaves, just cut a little more green floral tape. First just wind a bit on the leaves base, and then take these and attach them. And now I'm going to attach the rest of these leaves. After attaching all the leaves, again cut a piece of the floral tape and wind it from the base of the leaves. To the end of the wire. like this. Now in the same way as I did this, so I'm just going to curl all these leaves one by one. Like this, and just press down these in different directions with the flowers, with the leaves pointing upwards like this. So this is how the spider would look.